She enrolled in the summer of 2006. She had just finished high school. She was a bit shy and hesitant about starting, as are a lot of students her age.
I was very frustrated and kind of upset that I needed the help. I thought I had everything that I needed to achieve life goals. Sitting down with a young lady, her name was Kim, and we bonded very quickly, and we're still great friends, and she just really pushed me and helped me, and I really noticed that this was actually a fun place to be and not just, you know, a prison of learning. Sylvan really helped build those things up to prepare me for anything that I wanted to achieve, which was go to college.
She saw that if we could help her with step one, we could help her with further things, additional things as well.
Sylvan's really helped me in competing for Miss LSUA because I had to write a paper, and I of course lacked in the whole writing skills and constructing a good written paper, and so they really helped me through that whole process.
She was going to use our academic writing process to write the paper that she had to write as part of Miss LSUA.
I won. I won overall. I won everything. I won my Scholastic, which was a great accomplishment because I struggled in everything, so I thought that was a big pat on the back for Sylvan. I won People's Choice, so obviously people like to hear me talk and like to see me do the things I needed to do as representing the university. It was a huge accomplishment. Okay, I bet you know what that does. What does that do? I always looked at teaching as like, you have to be strict and firm, and you can't have fun. It was just not a fun thing to do. But Sylvan's really helped me to see that teaching can be fun, and that the little bit of accomplishment that a child has is really rewarding for them, and they get super pumped and excited about that. I finally decided, you know, maybe teaching is for me.
So actually last summer, I had heard through another instructor here that she had applied for a job at my son's school. And so when I found out that she had been hired, I called the school and requested that she be his teacher. So I was a little surprised because I knew she had first chosen a different route and then come back around.
I think one thing we saw in Jamie was the transition from a shy little girl to a young woman who chose a path to help others. That is just a very, very strong and big highlight for us here at Sylvan, that we played a part in that.
They are amazing, amazing people inside and out of Sylvan, and I don't know what I would do if I didn't have them by my side and helping me along the way these last several years. So thank you so much.